how to add or remove the dark mode widget in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Next, tap on the add button at the top. Once you are in an edit mode, go down and tap on add a control. Next, in here, we scroll down. And in the display and brightness, tap on dark mode. This will allow you to add the dark mode widget in the control center. Now, while you are in the editing mode, if you want to remove it, you can tap on the remove button, and that will allow you to remove the widget. So here, if you are in the control center, you can tap on the add button, then tap on the remove button, and you can remove the dark mode widget. To add it back in, we scroll down, and then we tap on dark mode, and that will add it to the control center. Now to open up, to switch between dark mode and light mode, you can pull down the control center and tap on it, and that will allow you to switch between dark and light. So here I can switch it to light mode, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.